Galicia is one of the most important industrial hubs in southern Europe. Its metal construction, structural and cladding industry is a key pillar of the Galician metal sector. More than 270 companies generate 16,600 direct jobs and have an annual turnover of over 580 million euros, bringing innovation and technology to every project. From large structures for airports, viaducts or sports halls to façades, metalwork, industrial furniture or profiles, Galicia is home to leading companies that combine engineering, design, manufacturing and assembly. With a high level of technological expertise and advanced production facilities, they can undertake any project involving stainless steel, carbon steel, aluminium, iron, brass, copper and new materials. These metal structures offer strength, lightness and adaptability, with minimal maintenance requirements and an almost unlimited lifespan. They are flexible, allow for changes in building use and meet the architectural requirements of any project. For this reason, Galician companies in the sector offer their solutions across multiple industrial and commercial sectors, and even in civil engineering. In industry, their work in the energy sector stands out, particularly in offshore wind and offshore structures, as well as naval and maritime elements, heavy industry and capital goods, and industrial construction. In the private and civil engineering sectors, they maintain close working relationships with construction and property development firms, architecture and interior design studios, and installation and maintenance companies. To meet the needs of this wide variety of clients, Galician companies have large industrial facilities and state-of-the-art machinery, such as laser cutting, CNC press brakes, sheet metal and tube bending machines, robotic welding equipment, technical drafting and engineering equipment with 3D modeling and the application of artificial intelligence. These are also highly internationalized companies, with metal constructions, structures and enclosures exported from Galicia to all 5 continents. This includes destinations within Europe such as Portugal, France, the Netherlands, the United Kingdom and Denmark, as well as countries such as Canada, Nigeria and the Philippines. At ACIME, as the leading cluster in Galicia, we promote the full potential of this industry. Through our SEMSI committee and the Public-Private Observatory for Metal Constructions, Structures and Enclosures, we monitor regulations and technological developments and convey the industry's real needs to public authorities. Furthermore, events such as MetalCons, the leading conference for this industry in Galicia, foster networking and help attract investment and contracts. This is an industry characterized by a high level of technical specialization, production flexibility for small batches and bespoke projects, the ability to adapt to technical and regulatory requirements, and access to strategic logistics infrastructure. Because the Galician industry does not merely manufacture structures, it builds trust and quality through the strength of metal. The Galician metal construction, structural and cladding industry.